What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Prophet. Welcome back to the process. So today I'm finna just drop this little short video for y'all. This is not no new footage. This is some old content from one of my other videos. My Labor Day video, my Labor Day weekend car show video. It's when I won my first trophy. You see it over there. So this was like toward the end of that video. I know most of y'all don't watch my videos all the way through, so you probably didn't see this, and some of y'all may have seen it. But I'm trying to give my girl a little bit more exposure, you know, and show off my one of my third gen gang Camaros. He got an all white Camaro on 24-inch Ruccis with the big R's. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this out here. If you're new to my channel, man, hit that subscribe button for me. I'm trying to push to get 1,000 subscribers, and we almost there. So stay locked in. I got some updates coming to my girl. She's getting her headliner redone right now. So that should be coming back soon. So I'll be dropping some new content. So let's keep it going, man. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure you like this video, leave me a comment. All that YouTube stuff y'all already know, baby. Let's get to it. Yeah, man. What's up, fam? I got my first trophy, nigga. You hear me? I'm good, fam. Hell yeah, boy.
Motherfucker look good as hell, boy.
Man, you know, I'm out here doing the food too, boy. You hear me?
I got the dark intake, the dark heads. Motherfucker got the cam, that bitch, all that shit. Got the pulley on that motherfucker. MSD. I got the niche, but I got the new MSD distributor.
Okay.
This bitch running
that
like
bitch was
motherfucker.
stumping.
This bitch
You got Posy too in the
yep,
back?
Posy, yep.
See, I need all that shit, dog. What up, dog?
That's my nigga that clean ass kitty right there.
Yeah. Got some motor in this motherfucker, man. Sick, man. That's the one thing I ain't get you on camera.
Man, yeah, for sure. You get that.
You feel me?
Yeah.
With them big R's, nigga. For real.
Mom.
Hey, that's money, man. Money right there, you feel me?
You already know.
Camaro gang, man.
Hey, Mom, you know what that is, right on time? You know about on YouTube, all that late night stuff? That's him that was showing me everything.
Prophet.
Yeah, this my mom, she's about.
How you doing?
I got my grandson made my face so can you go ahead and when I first seen that car, I said,
He had the other rims on it. Remember, he had the clean edge. He didn't want to show me everything how to how to cut the wheel.
myself out with the 24-inch wheels.
Yeah.
I do all kind of cutting and all kind of stuff to get the work, bro.
Good though.
Thank you, man. I did
And that's my favorite color.
Oh yeah? I did it all myself.
I know.
You know,
She like, I know.
That's
He
not.
had
You
me
hear
watching
me?
it, told Mama, look at
Yeah.
I don't know. He painted this color.
Yeah. Oh man. Gas station lights, baby. It was a long day, Labor Day weekend. Oh, let me show y'all my trophy. I won my first trophy. Finally. Here it is, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I went to the end of the season car show. Ran into a few of my family members. And I had a good time, man. So make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Like this video, leave a comment, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know. Let's go ahead and get to it, baby. I brought that trophy home. First of many. Y'all see it. Let's get to it, man.